Okay guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I hope the work improving. Today I'm going to talk about engine knock bearing. As you can see, the bearing is supposed to be stiff inside the connecting rod, but it's not like that. It's shaking. That means the if the connecting rod is operating, the revolution take place. The bearing is revolute itself. Now you can see the line inside. This one affects the the crankshaft, so you need to replace it. So when the engine not bearing, the engine creates sound, or it makes strange sound under the hood of the engine or the crankcase. Now you can hear the engine sound is changing, like rattle noise or crack noise. That means the engine is not bearing, and then it will affect, sometimes it affect the connecting rod. When the line, you can see that it can affect the line and affect the connecting rod. The line inside the bearing affect because it's not bearing. When it's not bearing, the bearing wear off. Yes, so you open everything. This is a Chevrolet point 4. We open the bearing, we check, and then we check the inside the bore of the cylinder. You can see this one is the same engine. The the spark plug has worn out, one has worn out. So it's likely that mouth of the spark plug have been entered into the engine, and it can affect the connecting rod or the piston itself. So this